Okay, I realize this is a long problem set for students, and what I'm going to say, you could always break it up, but I really think the more problems you do, the better you get at it. And it's also, if you're good at it, it's going to go really quick. All right, what are we using? The zero product rule. It's a second degree polynomial. We're expecting to find two roots. All right, so kind of looking at it, I'm using a technique of trial and error. I'm going to say, 5x and 2x is probably a good place to start. And then looking at the 12, I could say 2 and 6, 4 and 3. By the way, if I say 2 and 6, it's really, it couldn't happen. And I'll tell you the number one reason it couldn't happen. I'd either put the 2 with the 2 or the 6 with the 2, and there'd be a factor in common with that. So I got to think of another combination. Now, certainly I'm not going to try 12 and 1 initially, but I am going to try 3 and 4. So the 4 would have to go here, the 3 would have to go there. All right? Again, if you're using a different technique like the AC rule, that's fine. You use a technique you like to do. We're still going to get the same factorizations, by the way. So what do you get over here? Well, it looks like this. But the fact that it looks like that doesn't mean that's true. Let's just check it out. 5x times 2x is 10x squared. Worked beautifully. 5x times minus 3 is minus 15. And then you get 8x. Well, 15 plus 8 is, minus 15 plus 8 is minus 7. And you do get minus 12. Now, this is the 10th problem. So I'm starting to think to myself, once I get it factor, I probably could solve these equations in my head. And the equation I'm solving has is 5x plus 4 equals 0, which means x equals minus 4/5. All right? Now I'm going to put a comma here, which a lot of students do. There's nothing wrong with that. And then I'll write the next one down, and that's going to be x equals 3/2. So I want to point out what we're doing over here. We're kind of shortening up a little tiny bit. We are factoring still. We got the factors, right? The first factor is 5x plus 4. Second factor is 2x minus 3, and it equals 0. So we're using a zero product rule. I just set the factors equal to 0. I'm getting those two numbers. What do I recommend you do? Look at the key to make sure that these answers are indicated over here. And if they're not, there's probably something wrong somewhere. All right? Thank you.